Hello, this is Tyler Shanelli with Option Trading Coach, and I want to talk to you about a strategy that is very lucrative that I have been employing the last several years. It's day trading short-term options, something that I really never did. A lot of the market makers and the pros, they kind of advise against trading options that expire the same day. And honestly, these zero DTE options are relatively new. Like they weren't out when I started trading back in 2010 to 2020. They're just a few years out. So let's talk about this trade that happened on the first expiration Friday of January 2025. So basically, Tesla had a big sell off, some news, and I made a very small trade, only bought 5 contracts. And I'm dabbling with this strategy because it's not my specialty. I specialize in long term options and spreads, but this strategy is extremely lucrative. And I have a friend of mine who I've been working with who's been extraordinarily successful. And seeing how he does this and doing it myself has been eye opening. So, this trade put on 5 contracts, around $115 a contract. So, about a $500 or $600 trade. Close it out for like a 10 or 15% gain within 2 or 3 minutes. A lot of different principles and things and rules that I've learned and that I've been instilling just getting started with this. The contracts closed the day on Friday at $7,500. I like the 400. So these were the 395 calls. And you can see right here on my snapshot here the fills and the actual order history. I liked the 400 strike calls going into Friday morning. There's something about the 400 psychological level. It was a big level, and I figured if we could break some intraday support and resistance levels, then we could certainly trade through this level. And it happened, and I missed the trade. So you're always going to have that feeling of missing out, and it sucks. Like I'm guilty of it. A lot of us are, but you have to overlook it and you have to think about the next trade because there are literally opportunities like this every single day, every single week that are always going to be presenting themselves. So learn from this, get excited about it because this is what's possible, and let's find the next one.